Assalamualaikum. Today we will present car rental management system, which is our topic for OOP project. So first we will have introduction and our team member applying OOP concept and applying Java collection. So for our team, which is me, Muhammad Amirul Haikal bin Zaidi, number matric 10091, Muhammad Imran Hakim, number matric 10115, Amirul Arif bin Tambi, which is number matric 10875. So for introduction, car rental system is a comprehensive software solution designed to streamline the process of renting vehicles to customers. It includes functionality to view car that has been rented and calculate the rental price. So our system can see a car that has been rent and we can calculate the total price of rental price. So we can see the list of how many customer has rent the car and what model and what type of the car also. So next OOP concept, which is have inheritance, polymorphism, and interface. Inheritance allow new class to be based on existing class, inheriting their attribute and behavior. It promotes code reusability and support the concept of hierarchical classification. So for polymorphism enable different class to be treated as instead of common superclass. It facilitates flexibility and extensibility in object-oriented programming. So interface next is interface define a set of methods that a class must implement, promoting multiple inheritance and creating a context for the supported functionalities. So for our system, we apply inheritance, which is car class. Car class is defining common properties for all type of car, which is car developer, car model, car license, uh, and return price and return hour, which is in our system that show this type of base class that I mentioned earlier. So implementing polymorphism in our system is vehicle rental. Different vehicle type can be rent using a common rental interface, allowing for unified handling for rental processes and price calculation. So our system can calculate how many rental fees that customer need to be paid as long as the customer enter the days of rental car. Next, introducing interface in the car rental system. So first, standardized process interface ensure that all vehicle class adhere to specific rental and management protocol, enhancing system consistency. So we interface the interface look clearly to ensure all vehicle class can show specifically. So number two is extensibility. Developer can implement new vehicle type seamless by adhering to established interface requirement and integration. Integration interface allow for smooth integration with external system for seamless data exchange and functionality expansion. So this is our interface where we can put car developer, car model, and car license plate, and rental price and rental hour. So our system can display, delete, search, update, and exit. So next, we move into the Java collection. For Java collection, we what is list and set in Java collection? List is a collection that maintain the order of its element and allow duplicate element to be stored. So this is which we want to list. Example, we want to list all of our vehicle in the coding and set and another collection that doesn't allow duplicate element and ensuring data unique. So what we implement list and set in the car rental system is vehicle list. So we utilizing a list to maintain a record of all rented vehicles, including detailed specification and rental history. So we will list the record of customer that rent a car, so we can see what model the car has been rent and what number plate and how many the customer will rent. So next, fare set. So we implementing a set to calculate total fare to be paid by customer. So this is a calculation method where we will calculate the price of how many customer rent the car. So this is how we implement list in our system. So this is example which is we already record. So when we want to see history of car has been rent, so we will click on the display button and we will put index number to see uh, how long customer rent the car and how much that they need to pay. So this is example like we input the index 0, so it will show Proton Saga and the license plate, rental price and rental hour. So customer rent for 1 hour for total 25 ringgit. So this is set Java collection where we calculate the fare for customer need to pay. So customer need so we need to put the price per day and rental hour, so it will show total of fare that customer need to be paid. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Milainan. I will tell you about our UML. As you can see, our car rental manager will take data from car and then save it to the database. So I will tell you about car rental manager first. In car rental manager, array list is private, string file name is private, connection is private, and ID is also private. As you can see, car rental manager is public. Car rental manager also one is private, certainly. Car add also, add car is public. Add car to database also public. Delete car is public, and then delete car from database also private. Array list, read data from, save data to file are public, and also search car are public, and then contains ignore case are private, reset and clear database are public, calculate fare is private, update car in database public, array list, get car from database is public, and connect to database is private. Now I will tell you about our car. In make, model, license plate, rental price per day, rental hour, fare, and mark for deletion, and ID, all of them is private. So car are public, and another car is public, and get ID also public. Get make, get model, get license plate, and get rental price per day, and set make, and set model, and set license plate. All of them are public. And then get rental hours and get fare is private. And then set rental hours and mark for deletion and mark for deletion also are all public. So finally is database. As you can see, for the database, username and password are private, and the get connection and close connection are public. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amir Arif. So today I will demonstrate the GUI for my mini project, which is current management. So this is my interface GUI. So the data we need to enter is car developer, car model, car SIM plate, interest price IM, dan rental hour. So for example, the car developer, we put the Ford, and the car model is Ranger. The license plate is WEW1234. The rental price is 50 ringgit and the rental hour is 2. So the data is already successful add and we can see the data in the display. Other than that, we can see the data in the database. So the function is update. So for update, we need to enter the index. For example, we enter the 2 and we send the rental price into 55 ringgit. So the update is successful and we can see in the display the rental price already update. And we can see in the database it already update. So next, the function we can see a search. For search, we can enter the developer module create enterprise. So I will enter the module which is Blazor. So as we can see in our data, I already have one model Blazor. So the second last, our function in the UI is reset. The reset will delete all the data from the IDE and the database. So we reset. So the data already delete and we can see in the database the data already delete. So the last one for our GUI function is exit, which is close the UI. So that's all from my present. Thank you.